Today we'll talk about how can you change your username on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click on it here again. So then you come to next pair, just click here on edit. Then you come to next pair, just click here on username. So then here add your username here. So when you just add it here, then you click here on change username. Then it's going to change with you on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.